Hello, everybody. I'm Danielle and I'm so glad you're here. I am thrilled that Dr. Pescatore is back with us. And maybe you've heard some of the episodes we've done together, but he is a renowned expert in the field of taking care of human health and certainly working on the front lines of making a difference around the world. And he is an alternative physician. So, Dr. Pescatore, it's so great to see you again.
Oh, it's great to see you, Danielle. We really have to do this more often.
I said, it's so we get to bump into each other on occasion. I understand you're moving. I can see that you're almost out of your place.
Well, I'm actually renovating, so I'm moving for 5 months to renovate. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, a lot of craziness, a lot of work going on.
Yeah, a lot of craziness, and of course it's fall, and so everybody's been out. I know you travel in the summer, and so do I. And then fall and the leaves, and it's hard to get back to work, and get focused again.
It is hard to get back to work, but I think I hope you're taking your Pycnogenol because Pycnogenol actually helps you get back to work.
Am I surprised that you would suggest that? We laugh about that, but it is one of the favorite supplements that you say is really the desert island. And so let's talk about that, focus and work, and why Pycnogenol would really be beneficial.
Well, Pycnogenol works, it's an antioxidant. It's from a French maritime pine tree. And how it works in helping us work is it works to reduce oxidative stress in the brain. And when it can reduce oxidative stress in the brain, your memory increases, your mood increases, your ability to do things increases. So that's how it actually works in this instance. And there's a couple of studies that we can talk about if we have time.
Well, one of the things before we went on the air, we were talking about that even with the transition of the fall and students going back and making that kind of midterm stress and anxiety, that the study related to that. Let's talk about that.
Yeah, there was actually a study done in college-age students that showed how it increases test performance and decreased test anxiety by about 17%. So that's pretty good by just taking a little bit of Pycnogenol every day. I think the dose was 150 milligrams in that study, if I'm not mistaken.
Mm-hmm. So how long before somebody sees an effect or experiences an effect?
Well, in my experience, patients experience an effect within a week, but the studies usually go out for about 12 weeks before they look at these, so it gives it enough time to do it. So you have to give nutritional supplements a chance. Give Pycnogenol at least 3 months before you see it. Well, you'll see an improvement sooner, but give it 3 months.
And it seems that in the study, was there something about, so the idea of mood, the idea of functionality and focus. There was something about tasks that I thought I had heard about.
Yeah, that was actually in a different study. That was in a new study that's about to come out, and that's talking about tasks, how you can perform better at work, how you can even organizing your money is better when you take Pycnogenol. So it really does do remarkable things on the brain because it helps bring blood flow to the brain.
Yeah, that'd be a good thing for me, I think. Help to take care of my money, organize my money. The task as it comes pouring in. Well, you know what? Every time we're together, I feel like I learn something. So you're talking about the students going back to school, taking midterms. They can use it for focus. The anxiety thing is huge. It would be awful to have to start taking tests now, but none of that at all on this show. No testing. So I know that you've got to run. I know we only had you for a few minutes, but very exciting. Where does somebody find Pycnogenol?
Oh, it's easy. Just go to pycnogenol.com, Pycnogenol.com.